Bagian 1, Indonesia versus Bahrain. Hello everyone, my name is Wahyu Novianto, kelas 19 1B05. This time I want to make a speak with the theme of Indonesian versus Bahrain match result and simple present. Okay, first I want to discuss the result of the Indonesian versus Bahrain match, which made almost all Indonesian people emotional about the referees' one-sided performance in Bahrain. Before discussing there, I want to discuss the game first, where Indonesia play 3-4-3 with Jay Itzes as captain. Bahrain took a 1-0 lead from a very beautiful free kick from Bahrain players Mahrun in minutes. Then the position was equalized to 1-1 by Indonesian from a good build-up and score by Ragnar Redmangan. And halftime was over. The second match started, where Indonesian played to attack Bahrain completely and created one additional goal from Rafael Struijk. With a good placing, beautiful, and the score changed to 2-1 for Indonesian, and this is where the Bahrain players started falling to get a violation from the referees, and Indonesian was completely attacked until the 90 minutes and 6 minutes of additional time. But when the time had passed, the referee still didn't blow the whistle until Bahrain second goal was from a corner kick scored by Mahrun in the 98th minute. After that, the match finished with a score of 2-2. The player, staff, and coach protested to the referee, but instead he was given a red card. Saini Patinama, who did not play, got involved in an argument with the referee was there, and a few seconds after the match was finished, the Indonesian people who watched the match went straight to Mirbu Instagram referee Ahmad Alkaf and Instagram Bahrain Football Association and changed the name of the street or stadium to the name AFC Mafia. Wow, Indonesian netizen now counter. PSSI already reported about the referee was competent with the AFC but was flatly rejected, and recently the Bahrain national team applied for a change of match location, which was supposed to be at GBK Jakarta, wanted to be moved to a neutral location in another country and was immediately granted by the AFC. As long as you guys know, as long as you guys know that the president of the AFC is from Bahrain, but his proposal was rejected outright by FIFA, and GBK will be held for the Bahrain national team. Okay, maybe that's my opinion about Indonesia versus Bahrain.
Bagian 2, Present Continuous. Nama Wahyu Novianto, 191B05, NIM 19241060. Function is in progress at the moment of speaking. Form to be plus verb in. What it means by in progress is what is taking place, and at the moment of speaking is when we are speaking the event is taking place. Example of sentence are: now I'm eating, now I'm playing, there are running. So the point is that there is a use of the word sedang in the sentence there. That's the present continuous sentence. So the activity you are doing now at this moment means you will speak using the present continuous because it is happening. Pattern, pola kalimat, kalimat positif, subjek plus to be, is or are plus verb ing plus object. Kalimat negatif, subjek plus to be, is or am or are plus not plus verb ing plus object. Kalimat tanya, to be, is or am or are plus subject plus verb ing plus object plus tanda tanya. Definition of subject. The subject is the actor who carries out the activity or subject matter. Example, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Definition of to be. To be is an auxiliary verb that connects the subject and the verb, and we will use the verb in. Example, am, are, is. Definition of present participle. Kata kerja dengan imbuhan ing is used with the auxiliary verb be and be. Is, are, was, were, be, and been. Verb in sentence. Sing, to singing, smile, to smiling, play, to playing, and other. These are all examples of verbing words. Definition of object. Object is the victim or person who is subject to the action. Example, them, us, her, him, it. The use of object also usually use nouns that refer to work, animal names or plant names such as the servant, the farmer, the elephant. So I will explain what is the form of present continuous. What is the form of formula present continuous? Form. The present continuous form is to be and verb ing. So the first form of the verb has ing added to n. Such as sing becomes singing, smile becomes smiling, dance becomes dancing. For all, verb 1, you just add ing to the n and becomes verb ing. So that's the point of verb ing. So the formula is to simply add to be and verb ing after the subject. See, present continuous or present continuous function is to tell an event that is happening now. Two, for event that occurred within a certain period of time and are still ongoing today. Example, I'm writing a novel this week. Three, for event that have been precisely planned. Example, I'm traveling to Bangkok next month. Well, this is the function of the present continuous. In the next section, we will read sentence patterns to construct the present continuous. Let's just go straight to the first positive form formula. So we first enter the subject. So the subject here is divided into several parts. I, you, we, they, she, he, it. I is to be using am becomes I am. You, we, they is to be using are becomes you are, we are, they are. And then she, it, it to be using is, she is, he is, it is. Or the person name. Mr. Diaz is essentially a single subject, the use of which is to be. After that, we enter the ing verb sleeping. So for example, I'm sleeping means aku sedang tidur. You're sleeping means kamu sedang tidur. We are sleeping means kita sedang tidur. She is sleeping means dia perempuan sedang tidur. So everyone use ing. Try making an example of kamu sedang belajar. You are studying. Kita sedang bekerja. We are working. Ayahmu sedang berjalan. Your father is walking. Well, so everyone use the verbing and we add a time signal. The time signal For the present continuous basically states the current time, which is more specific. For example, sekarang, now, atau right now, atau hari ini, nowadays, atau pagi ini, this morning, atau siang ini, this afternoon, atau malam ini, tonight. Well, so the use of time is more specific. For example, aku belajar jam 7. I'm studying at 7. Or maybe another example, mereka sedang belajar, mereka sedang bermain bola sekarang. They are playing football now. So that positive form. No, there is a negative form. The negative form, you just have to add not after to be becomes a negative form example. There is I am. There is I'm not. If it is negative, it becomes I'm not. For example, aku sedang tidak bermain bola. I'm not playing football. Aku sedang tidak bernyanyi. I'm not singing. Then there are you, we, they, because he is to be. If he is negative, add not to become are not. Or you just shorten it aren't. You aren't, we aren't, and they aren't. Example, kamu sedang tidak bernyanyi. You are not singer. Mereka sedang tidak bernyanyi. They aren't singer. See, he, if it's a negative form, just add the not becomes is not. Or you just shorten it isn't. She isn't, he isn't, it isn't. So the meaning is not if you use the negative form of the sentence. Example, dia tidak sedang bekerja. He is not working. Dia tidak sedang berjalan. She isn't walking. So, if introductive kalimat tanya, you just have to put it to be am, are, or is in front of the subject first say to be, which mean apakah asking about the situation or activity that is being carried out. Example, am I? Apakah saya sedang? Are you? Apakah kamu sedang? Is it? Apakah itu benda? Definition adverb of time. Adverb is an adverb. Kata keterangan because the function of an adverb is to explain a verb, adjective, or other adverb. The adverb of time can be placed at the beginning of a sentence or at the end of a sentence depending on what you want to specify. Adverb of time. Keterangan waktu dari present continuous. Now, sekarang, at present, sekarang, at this time, saat ini, at this moment, saat ini, still, masih, today, hari ini. Not them adverb are used at the beginning or end of sentence. Example 1. At this time, she is studying English. 2. She is studying English at this time.